Welcome to my channel. Today, I'll be reviewing an exciting product that you don't want to miss. Stay tuned to learn all about its features, benefits, and why it could be perfect for you.
We have a Japanese knife, Serbian chef knife, and boning knife. This knife set is great for cutting different foods. For outdoor, indoor barbecue camping, it is a great gift option. Nice forged metal. Knives are super sharp. It's got a wood handle. Very nice set.
Thank you for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more product reviews. And remember, you can find the product link in the description below. See you in the next video.